What's going on, guys? Nick here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got a beautiful 2016 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited with me today. It's got a lot of nice upgrades, good performance parts. It's got the vivid black paint, silver pinstripe. And you got the 103-inch fuel-injected twin cam and a 6-speed transmission. It's got the Screaming Eagle heavy breather, and it's also got the D&D 2-in-1 Fat Cat pipe, which is a really nice exhaust system. Now it is a 2-in-1, but you can see there's dual pipes. That one on the left side is called a ghost pipe, so it's not actually hooked up to anything. It's just there to give it the dual exhaust look. You got these added on brake lights for the saddlebags. The bike's in good condition. Just a few marks here and there. There's a tiny little scratch on the gas tank. There's a little pinhole in the seat. You've got the one-touch saddlebag latches. You've got some upgraded ape hanger handlebars. I'd say those are probably about 12 inches. Real comfortable. They look great. They're internally wired. You got upgraded grips, upgraded Harley mirrors. It's got factory security, cruise control. And it's got the ABS brakes as well. It's got the 6.5-inch touchscreen display with navigation. It's got the paint matched inner fairing. Got the Willie G gas cap. This one's also got the liquid cooled heads. The fairing mounted adjustable wind deflectors. Daymaker LED headlight, matching spot lamps. Looks like it's got pretty much a new Dunlop tire on the front. And it is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So it's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We had a technician test ride it and make sure everything was working correctly, and then we gave it a professional detail. All the chrome looks good, heel toe shifter. You also got heated grips on the Limited. The only other marks I saw were a small scratch on the back side of the tour pack, and then on the underside, I don't know if I can get a good shot of this. You can see a few little scratches on the bottom side. Other than that, it's a super clean bike. Mechanically, it's in perfect condition. It's only got 11,134 miles on it.
Selection. So if you're
If you'd like to know more about this 16 Limited, pick up the phone and call us at 817-985-8888. You can also check out our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures on this bike. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.